Oh, my lamp, it's a star. Whoa, it's a star! My lamp is a star, and I just realized that, and I never noticed it because I'm ignorant! Ah! Look at it. Oh. I'm gonna call it Brendan's Amazing Ultra Random Show About Nothingness, but it's not really random because I have a script. Well, today I don't have a script, so it's just Brendan's Random Show. Yeah. Night to Columbus is scary. Why does it have to be Sunday? I mean, it's Monday tomorrow. I lost my friend's phone, so I gotta look for it. So I'm gonna call my phone. Let's do it now! Ah! We found the phone. It happened to be right next to her, and she's stupid. Ah! This is what I do in my spare time! So that was me having a seizure. My glasses kind of flew off, and it kind of hurt Kristen, but she's good now. She doesn't have to go to the hospital to get surgery on her coccyx. She has something to say, and it's really important.
Jesus, yummy.
She has sex on me. It's fun. So, I'm my friend left a knife in my room. It kind of looks like this. And, I kind of need to give it back to him, but he never takes it because he's afraid that people are thinking he's going to kill someone. And that if I bring it to school and give it to him at school, he'll get in trouble. That's not really good. Not at all. Oh my god! Kristen has a knife in her hair! Ah! On the phone right now about the knife.
Hello?
Guess what?
What?
I got something pretty in blue. And it's sharp, and it's yours.
I want it.
I think I'm gonna keep it.
What?
I think I'm gonna keep it.
No, it's my dad's.
That's an oopsie. We won't tell him that we're not gonna give it back. Don't tell him. Shh. Shut up, cat! You're so stupid! Just shut up! Shut up! Stop meowing! It's angry. It makes me pissed. But it's stupid! It makes me angry! It makes me angry! That's the cat who meows a lot. She's in heat. She wants a penis in her. Hi. Hi, kitty. Ha. 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 What are socks doing here? Bye! Bye!
Oh, what the heck?
Is this thing on?